Deducting storage expenses for rent-related purposes can reduce your taxable income and enhance profitability. Storage expenses must be ordinary and necessary for your rental business. Examples of deductible storage uses include maintenance supplies and tools, tenant turnover items such as paint and flooring, seasonal furnishings. To maximize your storage expense deductions, ensure expenses are rent-related. Keep detailed records and receipts. Separate personal and business storage. Allocate expenses per rental property. Use accounting tools or software for easier categorization. Report storage costs on Schedule E, Form 1040, enter rental expenses. Maintain clear documentation for audits. Consult a tax professional to ensure compliance and maximize deductions. Offer Market is a rental property investing platform. If you're not already a member, we hope you'll accept this invitation to join us. Membership is free, and your benefits include access to off-market properties, private lending solutions, landlord insurance rate shopping, market insights and community support. Join Offer Market for free and grow your portfolio.